safety until 11:15 p.m. At 10:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds up to about 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lucerne, or 5 miles northeast of Greeley, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Another severe storm was located just west of Greeley and was moving south at 10 miles per hour as well. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Windsor, Severance, Mulligan, Lucerne, LaSalle, Kersey, Johnstown, Gilton, Evans, Eaton, and Greeley. Precautionary preparedness actions. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Prepare to move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room if a tornado is spotted. If severe weather approaches your area, go inside a sturdy shelter away from creek beds and other flood-prone areas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm can produce large damaging hail, damaging winds in excess of 58 miles per hour, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. Flash